Hello, I'm Sean Young, and this is Lesson 3 of Speak Up in Chinese. Now in today's video, we're going to look at the power verb 是. This translates as to be. Plus, you will also see it's very flexible, very easy to learn. Okay, so let's take a look at the video. Now in this lesson, we're going to look at the power verb 是. 是. It has that falling tone. Now this verb translates as an English verb to be. And in this lesson, we're going to use it to express identity. Now by itself, it's spoken in the fourth tone, 是, 是. Otherwise, especially in a sentence structure that we're going to find here, it is pronounced in a neutral tone. Now to express identity, we got to find out who or what. But for now, let's learn the word 谁. 谁. It's a rising tone. 谁. And this means who. So we have 是谁. 是谁. So I want to find out who you are. Okay, so remember the pronoun 你. 你. And we say 你是谁? Remember, 是 is going to have that neutral tone. It won't fall. 你是谁? And that means, who are you? 你是谁? And to identify yourself, you would use 我. Okay, 我是 meaning I am. 我是 Sean Young. Now you try it with your name. Okay, 我是 with your name. Try it. Now if somebody you're talking to is somebody who is older than you, or they use a title with their name like Mr. or Mrs. or whatever, then they would use their family name along with their title. So 我是王先生. 我是王先生. 先生 means Mr. 你是 you are. 你是谁? 我是 Sean Young. Now what about him and her? Then we use 他. 他. Now in spoken Chinese, 他 can mean either he or she, but the Chinese characters indicate clearly which is used, either he or she. So who is he or who is she would be 他是谁? 他是谁? And then it would be 他是小芬 or 他是Chen Yongwei. So let's go through again, but this time we're going to make them into sentences. Okay? 你是谁? 你是谁? 他是谁? 我是. So, what do you think? Pretty easy, wasn't it? And you'll be glad to know that the verb 是, like any other Chinese verb, stays the same. It does not change no matter who is performing the action. So if you see the verb 是, that's how it is. He, she, it is, we are, you are, they are. It stays the same. And there really is no changes to indicate a present time, past time, or future time. You'll need probably some other characters to show that, but those are in future videos. But for now, there is no change in the verb. It stays the same. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Plus on the website there is going to be some exercises and some other examples to show how the verb 是 is used in Chinese. So enjoy, and we'll see you in the next video.